Power on. Power off.
Short press to wake up or exit FireLens AI. Double press to snap, analyze, and describe instantly. Long press to start voice recording. And short press to stop voice recording. Short press to snap a photo. Double press to start video recording. And short press to stop video recording. Short press to answer or disconnect call. Long press to reject a call. Long press 16 seconds to restore factory settings. Swipe forward to volume up. Swipe backward to volume down. Double tap to play and pause music. Triple tap to change music. Tap and hold to activate phone voice assistant.
Hey, FireLens. Record a video. Hey, FireLens. Take a photo. Hey, FireLens. What do I see? Hey, FireLens. Translate this.